Did you know that around 80% of binary options traders end up losing money? That's a staggering statistic, right? It's almost like playing a game where the odds are stacked against you from the get-go. Hey there! Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that is super crucial if you want to be successful in binary options trading. We're talking about the common mistakes that traders make and why steering clear of them is key to boosting your profitability. So, let's get right into it. Now, let's face it, trading can be emotionally charged. Many traders jump into the market driven by fear or greed, often leading to rash decisions. The central challenge here is that emotional decision-making can cloud your judgment. Without a solid strategy, it's easy to get swept up in the moment, making choices that don't align with your trading goals. This lack of strategy can cause you to lose sight of what truly matters, your long-term success. So what do? Recognizing these emotional pitfalls is the first step to overcoming them. All right, let's get into the nitty-gritty of the mistakes you want to avoid. First up, trading without a plan. This is like setting off on a road trip without a map. You wouldn't do that, right? A trading plan helps you stay focused and disciplined. Next, we have overleveraging. This is when you take on too much risk relative to your account size. It can lead to devastating losses. And then there's risk management or the lack thereof. Not managing your risks effectively is a recipe for disaster. Always remember to set your stop-loss orders and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Now, here's the big takeaway. Discipline is your best friend in trading. It's the cornerstone of a solid trading strategy. When you have a clear plan and stick to it, you build consistency over time. That's how you set yourself up for long-term success in binary options trading. Remember, it's not about making a quick buck. It's about building a sustainable trading practice. So, to wrap things up, avoid these key mistakes. Don't trade without a plan. Steer clear of overleveraging and always manage your risks. Approach binary options trading with a clear mindset, and you'll be far better equipped to succeed. I'd love to hear from you. What mistakes have you encountered in your trading journey? Drop a comment down below and let's chat about it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more trading tips. Catch you in the next video.